Out again with the Ranger version 2. This is one of the big changes on this. Look at that tail wheel. Boing. I mean, there's a lot of planes out there. If you're rough landing, you're going to take the nose wheel out. There's no chance. Look at that. How much that bends. Phenomenal. This is what you need if you're getting into the hobby. So it's very hard to break it. But this is great. It's a relatively low cost, high wing trainer with a 3-cell 1300 lipo in here. Very easy to assemble. All the servos already in, already hooked up. There's not a lot of assembly to do. FMS have really got it sorted when it comes to, you know, high wing trainers. You can get larger. You can go up to like, there's like 1.8 meter high wing models you can get from them. But if you're, you know, if you want to fly something a bit smaller that as fully assembled can go in the car, then maybe this is your thing. 1.2 meters, perfect. So let's get it in the sky again and let's see what it can do. I'm not going to fly in circles. People comment on my videos saying it's a high wing trainer, you need to show it flying as a trainer. Well, that'd be pretty boring, wouldn't it? I'm going to do some gentle aerobatics with it. Okay, we're just going to wait until the Chinook has passed over. Trev, look.
Just getting on that. We need RC one of them to review.
Now here's the thing, I mean, I don't think there is an RC Chinook out there, is there?
Oh, there's got to be.
Oh no, I tell you what, there are kits, and I have filmed some pretty expensive kits, but there's not like a ready to fly one out there, I don't think. If there is, let me know, but I don't think there is. Anyway, we have to be careful. He's definitely at about 400 feet. He's just come over to have a look and see what we're doing, I suspect. Give him a wave.
He's waving back in a funny way.
I mean, they definitely know we're here, and one thing that's important, full size, I don't think should be going below 500 feet, and we need to stay below 400 feet, and then there's no problem. But we are marked on, for full size traffic, there is a NOTAM in place, so they know that we are here. Right, okay, I'm using my trusty Radiomaster TX16S, and in here this is the 4-in-1 version. The module I've got in here is Crossfire at the moment, but I'm using 4-in-1 because it's got four processors, 4 chips in here for all the different legacy protocols. And one of those is FR Sky, and that's what I'm using. I shouldn't say legacy, well, I think it's their earlier protocols from FR Sky, but if you've got Spectrum receivers, you could use those receivers with this. All right, here we go. That was from level, so it certainly got the power, even on 3S. Nice. It's super stable, can keep it close, not too fast.
Doesn't really look like you'd need flaps anyway.
No, no. Crawl around. pretty stable inverted. I just need to hold a little bit of down in to keep it level.
That knife edge.
Little even knife edge.
That's pretty impressive actually.
I mean, your average learner won't do this type of stuff, but what I'm trying to prove here is that it's not a boring high wing trainer. You can throw it around and get a lot of fun beyond just learning basic flying. Because a lot of what flying is about is muscle memory and not really thinking about what you're doing. But models like this, they just give you a lot of confidence. Locked in straight away, you can do what you want with them. And for its size, this has got perfect power, I'd say.
Oh,
You can hear that nose wheel working hard on the relatively rough grass. So there you go. FMS Ranger version 2 1200. Does what it says on the tin really, just really easy to fly and would suit somebody who is brand new to flying if you want to make the investment in the model, your charger, your lipo battery and your transmitter. I'll put the links for everything that you would need in the video description, but just brilliant. You could use this for quite a few months, get your certification to fly solo at your local model flying club and then move on to more aerobatic things or jets and all that type of stuff. Anyway, there you go. Trev, thanks very much for filming again.
that's alright.
And we'll be back soon on Essential RC. Thanks for watching. Take care everybody. Bye. Boom!